Namaste friends, my name is Sheetal Pawar. I am from Atlanta, Georgia, United States. I have been practicing meditation since 2010. In the year 2011, I have learned about pyramids and decided to use them in day-to-day life. I installed a small pyramid and started using it for my meditation. I started noticing big difference in my meditation experiences. I started healing my body and my mind. I started feeling lighter and energetic. I have converted my living room into meditation room. I installed small and big pyramids inside of it. Some of them I made, some of them I purchased. My family and I use this space to meditate every day. We also conduct weekly group meditation sessions in our home. I use pyramids in my kitchen to keep nuts, fruits, vegetables, and drinking water under the pyramid. We can use pyramid energies in many ways. For example, eye pyramids to improve eye conditions, knee pyramids, pillow pyramids, tabletop pyramids, garden pyramids, pyramid chairs, pyramid weights, so on. Let us all make use of these free energies. Thank you, friends.